What's up, you guys? Another day, another slay, and today's slay is courtesy of RPGSHOW hair. You guys, their packaging just gives premium. Just holding this packaging in my hand, it gives premium. First of all, this velvet bag is so lush. I love their branding. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at the box. This box gives premium. Whoa, I love it. So inside the box, you have the wig. Oh my god, you guys, just look at this color. Seeing it in person, it is so beautiful. I mean, I chose this color, but seeing it in person, this is so beautiful. It's so impressive. All right, so inside the box you have, this is extra elastic band. This is another elastic band, okay? This is for laying your wig glueless. And here you have a little pack of grooming tools, your wig cap. This looks like instruction. You have these sticky tabs for sticking the wig to your side. And then you have, oh my goodness, this is the first brand I've gotten a wig storage bag from that looks like this. This is for storing your wigs. Nice, okay. First impressions, you guys, this wig smells so good. Like, it smells like it was, like they sprayed perfume on it. Like they sprayed perfume on it. It smells, no, this wig smells really good, right? Like out of the box, it smells so good. And that is it, you guys. That's the wig. So this wig is a wavy caramel highlight wig, and this is in 18 inches, okay? I purposely chose this color. Just look at the pattern. This comes in a center part, and the lace is quite transparent. It's quite HD. And then let's look at the lace, you guys. You guys, the lace has been bleached to perfection, and this is a maxi part lace, so it is not quite a frontal, but it is as good as a frontal, okay? So you can pat it on any side. It is 10 by 6, okay? 10 by 6. I mean, a frontal is like 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. So if you get a 10 by 6, it will give you closure, but it will look like a frontal, which I absolutely love, okay? Because sometimes the problem with frontals is this part of your ears. So if that part is already covered, then you know we're good. So yeah, this is the cap. The cap is quite breathable and it is quite large and stretchy. Okay, the cap is quite large, so it will fit any head size. Then it comes with this extra elastic band. It also comes with combs on the sides. Okay, so you have the combs on the sides, the extra elastic band. You also have a comb here. And then it is a drawstring wig, okay? I love it. This is a well-made, well-constructed wig. You guys, I changed the color of my top so that you can see the color of the hair really well. Just look at the lace, you guys. The lace has disappeared. Like, I mean, obviously, you know there's still lace there, but look at the lace against my skin tone. There's lace here, but you can't really see it because of how good the lace is. I like it. And it is very secure on my head, like really, really secure on my head. So I don't need to glue anything. I don't need to. I love this. By the way, did I talk about the quality of this hair? This hair is of such good quality. Like, can you guys see this? Remember that this is colored hair, and colored hair tends to, you know, be weaker than normal because it had been bleached and all of that, right? But this one, the hair is, the quality is so nice. Quality of the hair is top notch, premium packaging, everything is just 10 over 10 for this wig. I love it, okay? So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And it is giving real scalp. You guys, there's actually a lace here. Can you guys see that? I just lifted it up. Yeah, there is a lace here. but you can't really tell because it's giving real scalp. The knots are really invisible, and I'm wearing this absolutely glueless. I'm not even trying to do too much, and everything is just blending with my hairline. Yeah, I'll definitely recommend this wig. But anyway guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.